Unit and value of gravitational constant. By arranging the expression for force of gravitation, we have G is equal to F into R square upon M1 into M2. SI unit is Newton meter square per kilogram square or Newton meter square per kg square. The gravitational constant G is equal to the force of gravitation which exists between the two bodies of unit masses kept at a distance from each other. The value of universal gravitational constant is G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Importance of universal law of gravitation. The force binds the earth, the motion of the moon around the sun, and the tides due to the moon and the sun.